Oh, whoa. What's up, y'all? What's up, YouTube? I know it's actually been like a couple hours since I dropped the video, but I just had to get this video off real quick and edit it. Tory Lanez just got found guilty on all 3 counts of, and let's get the charges right, guys. All 3 counts of allegedly, shooting Meg Thee Stallion. Was found guilty of 3 felony counts: assault with a semi-automatic handgun, carrying a loaded unregistered firearm in a vehicle, and discharging a firearm with gross negligence. And he faces up to 20 years and could be deported in prison. Now, guys, look. Personally, guys, this whole case, these past 2 years has been crazy. But personally, I do think that this is a little bit, kind of crazy. I'm a little shocked that, he's found guilty on all 3 counts. Why? It's because, for one, the DNA on the gun came back inconclusive. 2, the only eyewitness who seen and took the stand said that he seen the woman shoot the girl first, and then Tory took the gun from the woman and shot the gun and emptied the clip in the air. Now, take 3, part 3 is all of Meg's story and what she said on the stand contradicted everything that the prosecutor was saying. And for one, everybody's story doesn't add up. Nobody's story is cohesive. But the person who was the witness, and the witness changed their story after they spoke with the prosecutor. So this whole case is really crazy. And honestly, the only reason I think that Tory actually was found guilty is because the juror, probably with the only eyewitness, Sean Kelly, saying that Tory did in fact take the gun from Kelsey and let the gun off. Technically, that's still, using a firearm in gross negligence, and that's also carrying a concealed weapon. So I think ultimately that's why he was found guilty. I personally think for the jury it was either it's an all 3 sweep or a no 3 sweep. So they went with the all 3 sweep. Now, as far as, moving forward, personally, if, Tory's, gonna do time behind this and get deported and this and the third, I personally think that Kelsey should be going to prison too and be locked up. But, see, that's the thing. So the narrative is that let's protect black women, and black men are abusive. Personally, I don't believe that Tory intentionally shot Meg Thee Stallion, and truthfully, nobody will truly know what really happened that night. But I guess it makes good for great content. I do think Kelsey should be locked up as well, though. And then a lot of people are not taking into account that Kelsey implemented immunity before she even took the stand. So it's like, bro, so crazy. But the only people who really truly know what happened, guilty or not, in that car that night is the 4 people that were in that car. And that's the bodyguard, that's Meg, that's Kelsey, and that's Tory Lanez. But it's crazy. Let me know what you guys think. I'm shocked. And I feel bad for all parties. But one thing I will point out is that throughout this case, I do believe that Meg did indeed get injured, and she did indeed get shot. Do I believe it was by Tory Lanez? No, I really believe it was by Kelsey. Now, I will also point out another thing. Throughout this case, Meg has done a lot of lying, and a lot of that came out when she took the stand. But that's for y'all to do y'all research. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I just had to touch on it. This is really crazy day. It's a crazy 2 years, following this case. But yeah, Tory's found guilty on all 3 counts, man. What a 2022.